Okay, this is me showing you an example of how the S robot works. I've done a video when my battery was almost dying yesterday. I'll try and see if I can upload it. As at that yesterday, the value that I have, maybe I can get to show you from the statement. First, let me show you from the statement. When you see 82, where you see 82, okay, this 82 was the last trade, and this was done on the 12th. No, I don't think so. Okay, let me just check and scroll down. I need to see the date, 11th. Okay, 11th 23. Okay, so from here 04, yeah, this from this 82, you can see from this 82 that I just selected, that was the result as at yesterday. Okay, so what is the balance now? 94. So I want to show you how come that is so. Okay, so let's go to the profit table. Now the S robot is trading the way I will trade, the normal way I would trade. That's what it's doing. You can see some of the trades that's done, but the first thing that it did, I think the first trade it had a loss. So it had a $5 loss, right? So from that $5 loss, it made another trade, it won. Made another one, it lost. Now I need to show you so that you see the losses. You can see once it's 50 seconds, it's going to close the trade. So it doesn't matter where it is. So it continued trading and continue making profits. See the list of trades done, and then no more losses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 trade lost done. It had covered the losses and it's now back in profits. So this is S robot trading. Now it's the same thing that people who are subscribing for the S robot get. You get to have the robot trade for you. So all you just do is monitor and supervise. I'm waiting, probably tomorrow the account will clock 100. So when it clock 100, I'm going to top it up to like 400. So it's going to be trading with $100. It's very simple. It's not difficult. The same thing that it has done for like 12 days now is going to do it again. So imagine growing $40 into $100. That's $60 profit. So it's very simple. Anybody can do this. I repeat, anybody can do this. But you see, don't be in a hurry. A lot of people are in a hurry. That's why you're not making money. You want to quickly hammer. You can see the results. There will be losses. A lot of people don't want to lose. They don't even want to dash 1 naira. In every business, there will be profits and losses stake. So you need to understand that before you get started. So like this now, you can see this robot has stopped trading around 2 a.m. Okay, it started trading from like 1 a.m. I think 12 o'clock. Yeah, from 12 o'clock till like 2 a.m. So you need to understand. Now you are not a robot. You cannot be waiting that long. You only have to do like maybe 3 trades and you are good. 3 trades and you are good. So guys, does it work? Judge for yourself. Maybe when I'm done with the 10 days with a bigger amount like $400, I'm going to show you the result. God bless you and see you in another video.